Good morning, y'all. It is day 2 of this 4-day journey, and today we are in Key West, and I've got something exciting planned. Today, we're going to do a key lime pie tasting contest. We've got 3 different places picked out, so I'm really excited to see. I'm going to be doing this with Ken from Ken's Films, another YouTuber that's on board. We're going to make a fun day of it, so I'm really looking forward to this. As always, y'all, if you're ready, I am. Let's go. The first entry is right here. This is Kermit's key lime pie. Let's see, y'all. How is it? There's a big debate about do you put whipped cream or meringue on key lime pie, and well, I think I'm gonna like the whipped cream better. That's what this place has, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna try both. So, Ken and I are gonna put our expert taste buds to the test, and we'll let you know which is the best key lime pie in Key West. Here we go.
Ultra creamy, great texture, just the right amount, I think, of the graham cracker crust. The one thing you're looking for with key lime is that tang of the lime, and there's definitely enough here to get you to pucker really good, which is what you want.
Nice bite, looks good. That's fantastic. It's definitely got that sweetness to it, but it's not over the top. It actually has a really, really nice flavor. That is fantastic. It's gonna be hard to beat this. We got 2 more to try, but this is a great start. This is yummy. And here we are at stop number 2, and this is Moondog Cafe and Bakery.
This is the most endeared pie, according to the interweb. The most picturesque. This is what people come to see because of that mile-high meringue. It's much more tart. But I think the consistency of the curd, it's looser.
Look at this thing. That is a lot of meringue. When I think key lime pie, it's kind of more what I think of in terms of the taste, but so far out of the 2, I would definitely prefer Kermit's. This is good, but Kermit's is definitely better. 2 down, 1 to go. We're making our way there now. Next spot is called Blue Heaven. We're just taking a stroll here through downtown Key West. Well, the third one's unseat the champion so far. We're gonna find out. Here we go.
It's one of these picturesque pies with a mile-high meringue. So this will be a good A-B to do with the second pie that we tried. Still tart, but not overly tart like the second one we had. That one was really, really tart. The texture of the curd is pleasant with the mouthfeel. This is almost a grainy texture with the meringue, not as luxurious as the last place we were at.
So we had a whipped cream at Kermit's, meringue at the last stop, meringue here again, but it's a different looking meringue. They're all fairly distinct. They've all got that tart flavor, but they're distinct in their what they have. This, the top of it, instead of it being burnt like it was at the previous place, it's, I don't know, maybe Ken don't know what to call that, but it's not burnt. It's something different. It's a thicker consistency than the rest of the meringue. That's good. This is a lot of sugar. This is 3 pieces of pie before noon. So, but yeah, that's solid. I'm gonna enjoy it. So we went to 3 different spots. Went to Kermit's, and then Moondog, and now we're at Blue Heaven. Let's start at the bottom. What would you say was your least favorite of the 3?
The picturesque one at number 2. I think that the curd was just overly tart. It was a looser curd. It wasn't as firm as what I would appreciate or what I would expect to have with a key lime pie.
I'm gonna agree. Yeah, it was too tart. Like it was a lot. All right, number 2.
Again, as you've heard, I'm team whipped cream and not team meringue. I also think that on both pie number 2 and pie number 3, it's just an absurd amount of meringue on the top.
It is a lot, yes.
Do they do that so it looks like you're getting your money's worth?
Kermit's was only like $6 for the slice, but here in the last place, it was $12 for a slice of pie.
So, having said that, I need to go with Kermit's for my number 1. I like the texture of the curd. It had just the right amount of tartness. It was enough to get you in your cheek, but wasn't enough to get you squinting your eyes.
So I'm gonna go with Kermit's. Yeah, it wasn't as tart as the other 2. I do prefer the whipped cream as well. The graham cracker base was like really good on that one. So yeah, Kermit's. So my opinion and his opinion, Kermit's is your best option.
Absolutely. Been a pleasure doing this with you, Evan.
Yeah, it was fun, man.
Right
I
on.
had a good time.
All right, we'll have to plan something else.
time for tonight's show here at the Stars on the Water Theater. Reserve Evan family at sea for Radio Margaritaville Live at Sea. I've seen this show twice, and I'm happy to see it a third time because it is that good. I can't wait. This is going to be a good one, y'all.
Paradise Cruisers, let's hit the radio waves and get the show started. It is Radio Margaritaville Live at Sea.
Got some piano right outside the theater.